You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Monzo to another bank account. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it helps me also to get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Monzo to another bank account. So the first thing to do is to open your Monzo app, then launch the app on your mobile. Then log into your account. Then from there you have to navigate to the payment section, which is the step 2. So from there, tap on the payment icon at the bottom of the screen. It's the one with a money symbol. So from there, select pay someone to start new transfer. Then the next thing to do is to move to the next 3, which is to add a new payee if you haven't already. So tap on a new payee if you are sending money to someone for the first time. Then from there, enter the recipient bank details, which is the sort code, the account number. Then if you are sending money to a business, you can also add the business name. Then save the payee for future transfer, which is optional. Then after that, you have to move to the step 4, which is to enter the transfer amount. So enter the amount you want to transfer. Then also add an optional reference for example, payment for a particular service or a rent. Just indicate. Then after that, you have to check the transfer details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient account information and the transfer amount. Once you're happy with the details, tap on confirm. Then after that, you have to authorize the payment. So Monzo will ask you to authorize the transfer. So if you have set up a PIN or a biometric login, may need to use it to confirm the payment. And that's how you can simply send money or transfer money from Monzo to another account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.